What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. I am finally standing in our brand new house. If you guys have not been following along, it's been a little bit of time since I've posted a video, but the last video I kind of explained our housing situation, and we finally closed this morning on our new house. So I'm standing inside of our new great room, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around with you guys just to show you how it all looks now that it's all complete and we're officially allowed to move in. And just in case you have not been following along, my wife and I sold our house 1 year ago. We bought almost 2 acres worth of land. We were going to build a custom home. Prices went through the roof on everything, and we were just kind of being screwed around with our builder that we were in discussions with. And it was starting to look like it was going to be over 2 years to complete that build and way over budget. So my sister actually moved back from Chicago into a really nice neighborhood. We've been spending a lot of time in this neighborhood, and we ended up buying a market home that was a builder that was building several market homes on this street, and we ended up buying one of those market homes. So that's what I'm standing in now. It's finally complete, and I'm so glad to be back in a house with some space and most importantly, a garage. And so we will get into the garage here a little bit later. I'll kind of show you a little bit about what the garage is going to look like. But I'll do a follow-up video on some of the things I'm going to be doing in the garage, because I know that's what you guys are here for. But I figured I'll start here in the entryway and kind of show you guys around again. All right, so this is my entryway. I did not pick out any of the light fixtures. Again, this was a market home, so everything that you see here was already picked out. The house was about 80% done when we pulled the trigger on it, and so we couldn't really make any changes. That includes light fixtures, which I'm not a huge fan of. The wall colors I actually like. It's some sort of gray, Sherwin-Williams. The hardwood, nice and dark. I like that as well. It does have this little random, cutout for whatever. So you can put a vase or something there, but right here we've got a little coat closet. So that's kind of nice. And then right off of the entry is this here. This is going to be our office. So we do have French doors. As you can see, there's 2 doors here with a nice transom window. It's 9-foot ceilings in here. And then we do have a half bath here, nice big half bath. This is a lot bigger than my last house. It's got a kind of a navy blue vanity there and a quartz countertop. And then moving on into here, we have our great room. It's not quite 2-story, but I think it's like 13 feet, maybe just over in this room. As you can see, we don't have a yard yet, but it's 0.51 acres. And you can see we've got a nice stone fireplace all the way up, some built-in bookcases on the sides, gas fireplace. I do need to buy a TV mount. That is not the TV that's going there, but maybe a 60 or 65 inch, one of my 2 TVs that I have. We'll go there. Nice tray ceiling. We've got a nice chandelier to put there. One thing I wish we could have done was wrought iron spindles, so that might be a project for the future. But here is the kitchen. And so again, didn't get to pick out any of the colors or fixtures or anything, but gray cabinets, and it's got that same blue island that's in the half bath. And these are all quartz countertops. I already have new pendant lights to put in here. Our refrigerator just came about an hour ago. So we've got double ovens, cooktop. This is a kind of white and gray quartz countertop. And so all of the drawers and doors are all soft close. This is technically supposed to be a pantry cabinet, so that's why it's so big. So there actually is not a formal pantry in here, which is one thing I really don't like about this, is the fact that it doesn't have a pantry. So my dad and I are actually going to be building a nice big pantry over here. So this door takes you outside to the garage, but this was supposed to be a mudroom area, and they had it spec'd for a bench and some little hooks here. But I'm actually going to convert this into a large walk-in pantry. So my dad and I are actually going to build a wall here, and we already have some electric there, so we've got 2 lights. So that light will be for inside the pantry. This was supposed to be a small coat closet, but I'm still going to kind of probably use that as a closet of some sort, but this main area here will be for a walk-in pantry. So there will be a door right here and then a wall here. So on the opposite side of that, this is ceramic tile, by the way. On the opposite end is the laundry room. And so I would have spec'd this out with some cabinets here and a nice, a nice sink, but it already came like this. So I will actually be eventually moving this stationary tub to the basement. I'll be doing a built-in cabinet with countertop above and below. Get rid of this wire rack crap. I hate that stuff. And then have a washer and dryer here. I did expand the driveway a little bit. So it's actually a pretty large driveway. As you can see, there's the M3. Even the neighbor doesn't have a yard yet, so we're working on all that stuff. That'll be happening in the next couple months probably. But this goes up to the garage. I'll save that for another video actually. This is the basement. So we do have a full-size, large basement as opposed to my last house. If you saw videos of the last house, it was kind of a 5-level house, and so my basement was a little bit smaller. But down here, light on, this is a full-size, unfinished basement, 9-foot ceilings down here. Pretty large. Goes that way, goes all the way around. There's a nice cutout over there, sump pump and all that, water. And then I did have a water line ran to the garage, so that way I can hook up my pressure washer system. I also do have Ethernet and in a couple of the bedrooms and things like that, all runs to here. So I'll be doing a little media cabinet right here. But here's my furnace. This is a rough in for a bathroom, so I will eventually be doing a finished basement with a bathroom and some unfinished area, as well as a nice big finished area. And again, these are 9-foot ceilings, so plenty of room for activities down here. So head back upstairs. Another thing I don't like are these switches. I prefer paddles, so I'm actually probably going to be swapping those out myself. And then another thing I wasn't able to spec was under cabinet lighting, so I'll be doing that as a project as well, because I need my under cabinet lighting. But you can see here we do have some nice subway tile backsplash going along there. So okay, so heading back this direction, again, that's the front door. This is the first floor master. Here's the master here. So this is, I think, 11 feet with a tray ceiling fan. Decent sized room. We do have ceramic tile here in the bathroom. This is master bath. And so we've got one vanity here. So this will be my wife's vanity. We do have a nice large walk-in shower with 2 shower heads. That'll be my vanity. We do have a water closet here, and this is just a regular linen closet. And then we have our walk-in closet. So it'll be his and her sides. There's a wall in the middle here, so you can see I've already kind of brought some of my clothes in here, but it's another thing. I wanted to not do any wire racks. I want to do, some custom built-in shelving and things like that. So eventually I will be doing that myself probably. It was already too late. They already had these stupid wire racks in here. So this will be my side, and this is going to be her side. And then this is the front of the house. So we've got plenty of room for storage, which is good. But this is going to be the master bath. All right, so coming back out, let's basically hit for the first floor and downstairs. So we'll go upstairs. This house is about almost 3,100 square feet. I think it's 3,050, something like that. 4-bed, 3.5 bath. So this is one of the bedrooms. It does have a closet there. This hole here is, there's a roof line that goes above the dining area down there. And so this is where that roof line is. So by code, they have to have some sort of access point to get back there for electrical purposes, but I'll be putting a bed right in front of that, so you will never see that. Another thing I don't really care about too much is Jack and Jill bathrooms. Not a huge fan of Jack and Jill, but these 2 bedrooms will share one bathroom, so it does have a gray vanity, similar to the cabinets downstairs, but this is like a cultured marble, whatever, countertop. And then it does have your basic bathroom, shower, tub, whatever combination. So this will be a future kids' room, so I don't really care too much about this. Another bedroom here that's connected to the Jack and Jill bathroom. Walk-in closet right there in that one. And then out here back in the main hallway, we have another linen closet. Nice. And then we finally have this fourth and final bedroom. This is the largest bedroom up here. Nice big walk-in, but this one's gonna be really big. So probably make, you know, if we have 2 kids, I'll probably make 1 kid's room this one and one, you know, one of the Jack and Jill rooms over there. And so this is technically called I call this a princess room, princess bathroom. So it's got its own ensuite. So same kind of vanity and countertop as the other bathroom over there, and same kind of shower surrounds and all that. All right, so heading back downstairs, that's pretty much the whole house, with the exception of the garage, which I'll probably be doing another video for you guys. That way I can kind of talk a little bit more about what the plans are for that. And obviously this is gonna be my eating area. I didn't show you that, I guess. I will be doing a chandelier right there. Lots of natural light with all these windows. It does have a nice 14 by 20, I believe, patio with a roof overhang. So I'm excited to spend some time out here. And yeah, so again, 0.51 acres, so goes to the tree line, and back there's a farm. And yeah, so we're excited. Finally nice to have our own space again. And once again, having a garage. All right guys, so that just about does it for today's video. I know this was kind of similar to my last video, but I wanted you guys to see the final product now that everything's been completed. We do have a small punch list already going of things that the builder needs to come back and fix. Just little paint flaws and kind of dumb stuff like that. But overall, we are very excited to be back into a house and finally be able to stop living out of a suitcase and, you know, having access to all my things that are in storage. So again, I'll do another video soon of the garage and kind of talk about what my plans are for that. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the support as always. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.